Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair review for you guys. As you guys know, if you guys watch my if you guys watch my chit chat get ready with me when I was talking about my Instagram account and everything, I was telling you guys that I had a new wig and that I think I talked about it. Anyways, if not, I think the video before, yeah, I was making a new wig. Sorry, that's the story. I was making a new wig and basically my wig is done. You guys saw it in my last 3 to 4 last videos. So that's what I was wearing. This is what I'm wearing right now. So yeah, it's new hair. I just thought I would talk to you guys about the hair because I had it on for like maybe a week and a half, maybe 10 days, week and a half about since I finished it. So I wore it for like every day since then. And I actually really like the hair. I didn't think I would like it because we'll get to that in a minute, because my first impression I was like maybe I'm not gonna like it, I don't know, because it's kind of different from the last wig I have, which is like what I usually always wear, so you guys gonna see what I mean. Yeah, so let's get to the review. So basically the hair that I got, by the way, I buy all my hair from beauty supply stores. I never bought hair online just because, not because I don't like it or anything, it's just more convenient for me. And also, like, I live in Canada and most of my beauty supply store, if I were to buy it online with all the taxes and everything, I don't think it's worth it because it gets really expensive, honestly. And with beauty supply hair, like, it did me good, honestly. So far it's doing me good. And also, like, whenever I buy hair from them, it lasts me at least a year. Like, we'll say like about a year before I'm like, it's maybe time to change your wig. But yeah, so for me, beauty supply storage is more convenient for me. Of course, one day I want to try online stores because apparently the hair is like way better. So I can only imagine how great it's gonna be. So basically the hair that I got is by Sensationnel. So the package is like this. It's Sensationnel Empire 100% human hair, and also has argan oil in it. You guys can see that. Sorry, it looks more like this. Don't care about like whatever's inside. I just wanted to show you the package. It has argan oil in it, and it's my first time using hair that has anything infused in it, honestly. And yeah, the package looks like this basically. So I got one 18 inches and one 16 inches. I do have 14 inches in my hair, but this is just whatever hair I had left over, so I just put it on the crown area because I was missing some hair. But anyways, I knew I was going to use that hair, just I didn't want to buy it from this because I did have some hair lying around. So I just kind of went back and got this hair to finish it. So this is a U-part wig. So this is my hair here. I don't have any closure. I don't have a frontal either. So this is how it looks. This is my hair. So basically I clip it on, so I have clips here and all here, and this is my hair, like this is my edges and everything, and the rest is like all the length here. This is the new hair, and then here, like, you might see some of the 14 inches. Like, I don't have much, but this is the 14 inches, so it's pretty, I mean, it blends really nicely. It's not like it's a really different texture, it's pretty much the same texture, and everything just blends perfectly together, if you guys can see, even if it's not the same package of hair. So yeah, this hair I got is, like I said, 18 and 16 inches, and I got the color 1B, which is off black, because this is my color, this is what I use. I don't, this is just my natural, but it's not really my natural color. You guys know I color my hair, but you know what I mean. This is what I like, basically. So yeah, so my first impression of this hair, like, first when I took it out of the package, I was like, you know what, this hair is like really, really thin. It's like, it is really thin. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's not thick or anything, but it is really thin. It doesn't really tell you what kind of hair it is. I know, like, from beauty supply store. Sometimes I would buy, like my last wig was Brazilian hair, but this one it just says Yaki hair, so it doesn't really tell you the origin of the hair, which kind of sucks because I want to know who has thin hair like that. I mean, for me it really works because my hair is really thin. Like my real hair is like, yeah, it's curly, but it is really thin, so maybe that's why it's blending like really well, and this, maybe that's why I really like it. But it is really thin, so it's not gonna give you like a full thick wig. Like my last wig was really big and like thick, but I did use more package because I would double it. This one I didn't double. Yeah, so it's just like really thin. It's more natural for me. That's what I wanted with this wig anyway, so it's really up to you what you want to do. Just keep in mind that this hair is really thin, so if you want it to be more thick, you wouldn't have to double it. But if you don't double it, honestly, it looks really, it just looks natural. It looks like this is your hair that just grown out basically. The hair claims to be tangle free and shedding free. So far it's true. Okay, the hair is like, it's tangle free. I had this hair on for like, I put this wig on, it was 12, now it's almost 3, it's 2:58, and honestly, if you guys see me, like usually I get really matted at the back over here. I always have to carry around a brush with me, and look, the hair is just, there's nothing. The only part that sometimes gets matted is the top part, but this is a different kind of hair. And I did use this hair. It's not brand new hair, okay? I just want to mention that. So, yeah, but for the other part of my wig, it's all brand new hair and it doesn't get tangled. It's really silky. It's like, not silky to the point where it's like too soft. It's like really natural, silky, if that makes sense to you guys. I hope it does because I don't know how to explain it. But, and there's no shedding, like there's nothing. There's nothing. The only time that it did shed, but because I did cut it at 2 different parts, like whenever like I had just a little strand hanging, I would cut it when I was sewing my wig, and I did cut it and I did like place it somewhere else, so there was like some kind of hair that would fall out, but that's it. Like so far within the 10 days, nothing shed, nothing fell. Like the hair is pretty sturdy, and even when I come to brush it, it takes 2 seconds. I just brush it real quick and the hair is just like, you see how flowy it is? It just looks like it's my hair. And even tonight when I'm gonna go to bed, the only thing is sometimes I get one knot like at the back, at the nape here, but it's like so easy to take out. I can basically take it out with my hand. I don't really need a brush. So the only time I really brush it is just like, just so it looks more put together, but it's not because it's matted. So, and I just want to mention that I did use a dome cap to do my wig because I just prefer dome cap for me. If you guys prefer the one that are adjustable, it's really up to you. I did use that in my last wig and I ended up hating it. That's why I redid this wig and I just used the hair from the other wig for this wig. So, not the other wig I was wearing, just another wig that I had. I never really wore it. It was like up to here. This is the hair like straight out of the package. I didn't wash it yet because I don't like washing my hair. I just want to see how the hair is first. And I did not curl it yet. It is Yaki hair, so it's probably not gonna curl because it's like also it's brand new. Usually I can always curl it for you guys if you got one. Maybe if I set it, it's gonna stay longer, but I know that if I curl it, it's not gonna curl. But I might try it in a next video. If you guys want to, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll do it. And yeah, so this is the hair. I didn't straighten it. This is just the hair straight out of the package. This is how it looks. This is the normal state of the hair. I didn't do anything to it. Basically, I kind of really like the hair so far. Like it's really soft and everything, and it's also like minimum, like I don't even have to do anything. I brush it in the morning and then I leave it on for like all day, and then at night I just brush it just so like I can put it there on my vanity so it's ready the next day. Just put it on and I just go and that's it, and the hair is ready to go. So yeah, so you guys want to see, This is how long it is. So it goes up almost, this is my hip here. And this is how it looks. If I find the information, I'm gonna put all the details from my last wig down below, because it is what I'm using for the top part, so you guys can like compare them if you want to. It's really up to you, but if I do find the details, I'll put it down below. I'll put all the details for this hair down below, the name and everything. If you guys, in case you guys want to purchase this, it's really up to you, really. But I just wanted to mention how I really like it, and the wig, it's really laying right on me. Do you agree? Let me know down below if you agree. And yeah, this is it for today. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would really be awesome if you guys want to join the family, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.